So guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3001 by the name of minimum moves to capture the queen. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So let's move to computer screen. Let's start to solve question number 3001 minimum move to capture the queen. And in this question there are the total, it's a medium one question, and in today's question there's three topics are included by the name of math, enumeration and weekly contest 379. And in today's question there are the two hint are included. Okay, so but anyways we do not view the hint. Okay, we will be solve the question without seeing any hint. Okay, and we are solving this question in Python 3. So let's start to solve today's question. So let's move to computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing. Yeah. So guys, let's start to solve our question number 3001 by minimum move to capture the queen. So let's start to solve it. There is a one index 8x8 chessboard containing three pieces. Okay, one index highlighted this one. It has given me a 6 integers by the name of A, B, C, D and E and F, where A comma B denotes the position of a white rook. Okay, C and D denotes the position of a white bishop, and E and F denotes the position of the black queen. It has given me that you can only move the white pieces, and we wanted it in the minimum, please highlight this word, minimum number of moves required to capture the black queen. Note that rooks can move any number of square either vertically or horizontally, but it cannot jump over other pieces. This is a first point you want to note that. Okay, now number second, bishops can move any number of squares diagonally but cannot jump over other pieces. Number 3, a rook or a bishop can capture the queen if it is located in a square that they can move to. Last one not least, the queen does not move. Okay, now let's see the example. There is the first example. Here you can see it is looking like a chess. So let's small it. Okay, because this diagram is very much bigger. So let's small it. So if you see here, there is a one queen and there is a one king. Here you can see it. There is one example. Let me do this. Let me give him the no fill, red outline, and then the weights will be like this. Okay, here you can see it. There's a one king and there's a queen. Okay, here you can see it. So if you see here in the input, here he had an A integer in which he wrote in down 1, and then in the B here he wrote in down the same number. In the C here he wrote in down 8, and the D here he also wrote in down 8, and the E here he wrote in down 2, and F in he wrote in down 3. These all are the integers. These all are the integers, and the output I'm coming to. Why? Because we can capture the black queen in two moves by moving the white rook to 1, 3, then to 2, 3. It is possible to capture the black queen in less than 2 moves since it is not being attacked by any of pieces at the beginning. If you see the example 2, the example 2 is same as the example 1, but there are the different numbers are written down and the diagram is also be different. If you see here, there is a one black queen and there is a 2. If you see here, there is a 2 also icon of a chess. Here you can see it. I don't know the name of it, but anyways, now here you can see in the input. Here he created a one integer A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, in the A he wrote in down 5. In the B here he wrote in down 3. In the C here he wrote in down 3. In the D he wrote in down 4. In the E there is a 5, and in the F there is a 2, and the output has been coming 1. Because we can capture the black queen in a single move by doing one of the following. Okay, we move the white rook to 5, 2, and we move the white bishop to 5, 2. Okay, so that's why the output is becoming 1. And this is a, let me tell you the name, this is a one white rook. Okay, this this one is a white rook, and this one is a, let me click on the shapes, and this is a, okay, let me give him select him now, and this one is a white bishop. Okay, and in today's question there are two constraints are also included, but we do not view it. Let's come up now. Let's come to our LeetCode website. So it is a medium one question, so let's start to solve it anyways. So first of all, what we're gonna do now, we define class of a solution def min moves to capture the queen, then self comma a comma b comma c comma d comma and then e comma and then f. Okay, and then define here if statement a equals to e or b equals to f. Enter press, then define if statement a equals to e and a equals to c and d minus b multiply by t minus f. Give space and then wrote down here less than 0 semicolon, enter. We want to return here 2. Enter back. If b equals to f and b c d and c minus a multiply by c minus a, and then less than 0. Perfect. Then semicolon, then return 2, enter, and then back, then return 1, enter. Okay, now when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it, press backspace if abs and then c minus e equals to abs d minus f, and then semicolon. Perfect. Now when we do this, here we wrote it down if abs one more time, c minus a equals to abs d minus b and b minus f. Okay, these b f, these are the integers. Okay, by the way, for your, and then b minus d one more time, and it less than, okay, it less than, give the space here, and then 0, then less than, return 2, return 1, return 2. Okay, here we wrote it down like this. So now let's see the running code now. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted. Here you can see in the case when all the expected output is 2, the output has been coming same. In the case the expected output is 1, and also output coming same. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted. Okay, no, it is not accept. Okay, in my case 2, there's a wrong output has been coming. So let's see my code. So let's come up. Okay, do the code upper side. Okay, select this, write here one comment, here is the class of a solution. Perfect. Now let's see the running code. Running code has been accepted, but the submission code, in the submission code there is a problem has been coming. So now, sorry, it is taking a one little bit time, so it will be take the time. Okay, so it has been accepted, but let's see the submission code. So now then I will be submit the code one more time. So the output has been coming still wrong. Okay, still wrong, the output has been coming. So let's see why this type of output has been coming wrong. So let's see it. So now let's see it why this output has been coming. So guys, add a one line here, add def. Okay, now let's see the submission code. So now when I submit this code, it's pending. So let's see. So now it has been taking a loading, it's been accepted. And here you can see it, I beat 100% people. So let's post this solution. So here you can see it, I post this. Okay, so here I post it. So here you can see in today's video we solved question number 3001 by minimum moves to capture the queen. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also see my profile. Okay, so anyways, let's meet you in the next video and next very amazing video. So for today, goodbye.